Is it possible to do ombre with dual forms? Absolutely. Keep watching and I will show you how. Hello guys, Anastasia here. Today I have a kit by RSTYLE. This is Polygel kit. The box is really cute, like a box of sweets or something. It includes 6 colors of polygel, 15 grams or half an ounce. Also we have a double-sided brush for polygel, 180 grit nail file, base coat and top coat, and liquid slip solution. And of course a box of dual forms. The second kit is very similar, but 4 colors are different. So both kits includes clear and white, but the colors are different, so now let's try the colors. Clear, this comes in both kits, and as I'm doing the application, I have to say this polygel is medium thin consistency, so it's not super thick, which means it will be great for beginners. White is intense white color, will work for baby boomer or French style nails. Pink is a semi-transparent pink color, also pretty cute. Deep nude is a dark beige cover color. Nude is a bit more transparent, but I think it will look really natural on the nails. Then we have coffee, which is dark brown, a little bit translucent color. Then we have soft pink, which is cute light baby pink intense color, which can work as a cover as well. Nude pink white, now this one will turn into white as it gets warm. Glitter pink, I'm definitely using this one today on my model. And then we have white glow velvet, which is white, but once you turn the lights off, it turns into beautiful purple color. Now I will show you both kits. So this is the first one with regular colors, and the second one also includes glitter, glow in the dark, and one thermocolor. Now let's get started and try it on the nails. I will start with the prep, and first I will push back the cuticles with orange wood stick. Nail prep is super important, and I get so many questions from you every day, like I'm using dual forms or I'm using this technology and then nails simply lift or just pop off. So in like 80% of the cases, it's all about the nail prep. So make sure you push back the cuticles really well. Make sure you take off the surface shine with the file, and there's no oils, there's no lotion on the nail plate. It should be completely clean and dry. Then I'm doing cuticle care with electric nail file. This is the diamond bit called Flame. I use it for pushing up the cuticles and cleaning sidewalls as well. Now make sure that the nail plate is completely free of cuticles, which means it's ready for the product application. We need to find a proper size of the dual form for each nail, and we see that this one fits, but the shape of the cuticle of my client is slightly different. It's more oval. So I'm using scissors and cutting it, like adjusting the shape to the client's cuticle shape. And I recommend you to do it at all times, because most times the dual forms, they have like a standard curve, and clients have a slightly different shape of the cuticles. Do not pick the dual form that is much smaller than the nail plate, because once you apply the product inside, it will definitely be not enough and you will end up with the nails with the missing sidewalls. Now I'm going to apply dehydrator on all nails, and once it's dry, we're going to apply non-acid primer. I will use base coat from this kit and apply a thin coat on each nail as well, and cure for 30 seconds. When applying base coat, it's super important to not touch the surrounding skin and to apply a very thin coat. Now let's do the application. I will show you 2 different ways on how to create ombre with dual forms. I decided to use glitter and glow in the dark color. So this time we will be doing an ombre that goes from the cuticle to the free edge. First apply glitter, but do not take too much near the cuticle, and then just apply it like you would normally apply the product near the cuticle. Then turn the dual form around and create a fade. This is pretty easy, by the way. If you feel like the product is really hard to blend, you can take a little bit extra sleep solution. By the way, this product, RSTYLE, since consistency is like medium thin, it's super easy to blend it. So you can just go all the way up to the dual form. It depends on the length that you decided to do. Now flash cure for 5 to 10 seconds. Do not cure more. And then I'm applying this glow-in-the-dark polygel right on top. You probably noticed that the glitter I applied is super thin, so this is not the entire nail yet. We are going to build the structure from this one. Just follow all the rules: thin product near the cuticle and along the side walls, and a little bit more in the center. Now we need to apply it on the nail, so just turn it around, press all the way to the cuticle, and if some excess product goes on the sides, just clean it with a brush right away. I also recommend fixing the product underneath, but be careful, do not press too much and hold the dual form while you're doing this. Now we can cure, and if you wish to pinch the nails, you can do it after 10 to 15 seconds of flash cure. Take off the dual forms and we are done. Now I will show you a different way. So if you would like to have an ombre from the free edge towards the cuticle, you need to apply the glitter the same way, but start from the free edge. This one is a bit harder because you need to understand what the final length will be, but then you just fade it towards the cuticle, flash cure in LED for 5 to 10 seconds, and then you just apply the glow-in-the-dark polygel from the cuticle all the way down. Now apply it on the nail, clean the product underneath, and cure again. So this polygel cures for 1 minute. If you would like to pinch, it's about 10 to 15 seconds of flash cure. Now we're done with the application, let's do the shaping. I get so excited playing with the products and glitter that accidentally made some of the nails too long. So now we need to file them shorter so they will all match. Next step will be filing underneath. If you already cleaned this area with the brush, then it will be almost perfect, but you can still add some retouch with the e-file. I'm using carbide bit. The speed is about 15,000 rotations per minute. Using the same bit, I will also go around the cuticles and the side walls just to smooth it out so it will be super thin. And if you have some excess product that's squeezed out of the dual form and you didn't notice it before curing and didn't clean it with a brush, you can fix it right now. By the way, this product is so easy to file. With 180 grit side file that comes from the kit, I will do a slight retouch filing the side walls and the free edge so we can have the final shape. Now you can ask your client to wash your hands, and let's do the most exciting step, sealing with a top coat. Cure in LED and ombre glitter glow-in-the-dark design is ready. This is how it looks with the lights on, and once you turn them off, it's beautiful violet color. It was pretty hard to catch it on the camera, so once I recorded with my phone, I think you can see this actual purple color. Let me guys know what do you think. I will leave all the links to RSTYLE products in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing, as I post new nail art tutorials and product reviews just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye!